Hey y'all, it's your girl Quoia Renae, and I know I look a mess right now, but it's my birthday weekend, y'all, and I'm just gonna give y'all a tour of the cabin. Make sure you all like, comment, and subscribe. I'm kind of out of breath, y'all, a little bit. I've been running up and down, trying to clean up a little bit. It's a 4-bedroom cabin. We're here in, I ain't gonna tell y'all where we at, but we somewhere. We somewhere real cute, okay? And yeah, it's a real pretty cabin. I'm just gonna give y'all a tour of the cabin. This is how the cabin look on the outside. It's real nice out here, y'all. Okay, and over here is just some woods, and then over here is like I guess like if you want to roast some marshmallows or something, you can do that over here. There's some logs over there to light a fire, so you can sit around. That's what we plan on doing anyway. When my nieces and nephews come, we're gonna sit around, tell some spooky stories, and probably eat some marshmallows, and yeah, do some real cute stuff. This is the front of the cabin. Okay, and we are about to enter. We gotta put in a little code. No, we don't, because it ain't locked. So we're just gonna enter. This is the kitchen area.
I got two.
It's a little messy, y'all, because we still unpacking. We just did some grocery shopping. So this is our fridge, laundry room area, it's a door, it's a bathroom, mirror, this is the kitchen area. And it's a fireplace right here. Got some bar stools for the bar area, and of course the liquor. We having all the drinks for y'all. What y'all want? And this is just like the little foyer area. This is the living room area. I wish it was more lit in here, but whatever. Fireplace. And then I'm going to take you all outside to this area out here. Out here is another sitting area. Let me cut the TV down. So in the background, you all can actually hear the creek roaring, honey. It's just so soothing and beautiful out here, y'all. And this is like the fireplace. The chair a little dirty, but yeah, it's cute. And over here, some more of the balcony area, and they have a grill over here. And then I'm gonna actually let you all get a better view of the creek area. Over here is another lounging area. And then here is the view of the creek. See if I can zoom in a little bit for y'all. You all can actually hear the creek. It's so pretty, y'all. It's so And now we're just going to enter back into the living room area. And I'm going to show you all to my room. This is my room, me and Davin's room. It is the master bedroom. And over here is just our stuff. Like I said, y'all, we still unpacking. And we have like our own private balcony area, y'all. Like, it's lit. It's real lit. It's a real situation. Out here is our own private balcony area. See Davin, y'all. Look at him. Doing nothing as usual. And then I'm going to show y'all our bathroom. This is the bathroom. Yes, honey, we're gonna have some rose petals in here, make it real sexy for y'all. Well, for us, not for y'all. This is the private bathroom or toilet area. And then we have a stand-up shower, honey, and it's two-sided. Yes, two-sided. I love it here. Two-sided. Next, we are about to take it upstairs. About to head up these steps. This is the pool area, another lounging area. And you can actually see down the living room over the balcony. And this is my brother's and my sister-in-law's room. Their room real cute, y'all. I'm sorry if it's not lit like that in here. Jesus Christ. Put on a little light. And you can't see. Okay, now y'all can see. Or you can see now. Okay. Get y'all a better view. This is their room. Over here is a locked door. And I think this is closet. Over here is the bathroom. It's another stand-up shower. I want to cut it on one time for the one time. Okay, let's get out a little rough. I don't know. Maybe you gotta turn it to angle it a little differently, honey. I don't know. Okay. Toilet area. And then mirror. And then over here is my sister and her boo thing's room. My older sister. I'm going back downstairs. Oh, y'all, these stairs and so who you recording video for? She trying to record a video too. Don't try to be like me. I know where it's going then. Okay, where the downstairs at? Okay. So now I'm about to take y'all downstairs. 3 levels, y'all. It's a 3-level cabin, honey. They got a little duck sign, honey. You ain't really got a duck unless you just real tall, but it's another window down here. And then down here you got some foosball. Go out here, it's another balcony area. Let's go out here real quick, y'all. I did not pop that down. Another lounging area. That's why I love cabins, because it's always be like a lot of lounging areas. And over here is the jacuzzi, honey. Yes. It's real heated too, honey. So you got your foosball over here. Got your game of checkers, another fireplace. Got the bar area. I don't know who Quick Trip cooked that there. They so rich. Bar area over here. And this is like the theater. I gotta record y'all room real quick. I would rather y'all wait because it's gonna be quick. And some air hockey. And then some darts. They got a little mini fridge. I didn't even see the mini fridge over here.
Renae.
Sink area. Got that big TV.
Yeah, that's the
Foosball. Okay, this is another room. This is my sister's and my brother-in-law's room. Look at her, there she go again, y'all. Lord! This is their bathroom area. I'm almost done. Alright, y'all, they rushing me, honey. So, oh, they got a big closet, okay. They got a lot of kids, though, y'all. I guess they need the space, honey. Okay, I'm done.
Alright. That's what got coming in with y'all. Okay, close. Go ahead. Close the door.
Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all, so that is the end of this cabin house tour. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all next time.
I like it.
Bye.